Hi guys, this is Lewis, and today I'm doing a bike check. I got a We the People Trust complete bike, full chromoly, weighs about 24 pounds, pretty light. Everything's stock on it besides the chain, KMC chrome chain, and Cult Vans grips. It's got a Salt Plus brake lever, like it. Full chromoly bars, 8.625 rides, I think. It's got Salt Plus stem, nice stem. Also has a Salt Plus hub. Thing's real nice, rolls forever, nice and smooth. I don't know what the front rim is. It might be Eclat tripping. Yeah, it's an Eclat tripping rim. I like those. I like the how it's rounded off. I think it looks real neat. It's got pitch flow mid tire, 2.3. Pedals, I don't know what the model is. They're just Eclat, real thin, and I like how they're real thin. So like when you go to get back on the pedals, they don't they're not like so thick. Salt Plus cranks, nice I guess. Salt Plus sprocket, 25 tooth. Seat is really comfy. Pivotal We the People seat. I think it's a lot better than all the other We the People bikes, because it's really fat and squishy. I don't think the rear hub is Salt Plus. Yeah, I think it's not Salt Plus, but still pretty nice, I guess. Got pitch flow, 2.2 in the back. Pretty. I guess the tires are actually pretty fat on this bike compared to other bikes that come with tires. What else is there? Salt Plus brakes. Kind of squeak, but what do you expect? And that's about it. Had this bike for like 6 months. Bought it from my dad's shop. Pretty cheap, considering I'm his son. And that's about it.